Today, I'm bringing you a recipe so colorful and delicious that it looks like an edible rainbow. We are going to prepare an inverted gelatin with just 3 ingredients, and the result is spectacular. We start by pouring 350 milliliters, about 1.5 cups, of condensed milk into a bowl. Next, we add 350 milliliters of milk. It can be whole or lactose-free. That's up to your preference. Mix very well until everything is fully combined. Once the mixture is ready, we divide it into 4 equal parts and set them aside. Now for the fun part, the colors. We are going to dissolve 4 flavors of gelatin: strawberry, blue raspberry, grape, and lime. For each flavor, we will use 2 cups of hot water and 120-gram or 4-ounce packet of gelatin. Dissolve the gelatin completely in the hot water and then add 1 portion of the milk mixture we prepared earlier. We repeat this process with every single color. When all the colors are ready, we pour them into a previously greased glass or refractory mold and place them in the refrigerator for about 3 or 4 hours until they are completely firm. After that time, we move on to the most magical part. In a separate bowl, we place 2 cups of hot water and dissolve 2 packets of clear or transparent gelatin. I am using a pineapple flavor, but you could also use anise. The important thing, friends, is that it is transparent. If you can't find this type of gelatin, you can replace it with unflavored gelatin or powdered gelatin. Just remember to add a little sugar for sweetness. Easy. Once dissolved, we add 2 cups of cold water and mix thoroughly. If any bubbles form, skim them off with a spoon to ensure the liquid stays clear. Next, we grease a mold with a capacity of 2.5 liters, about 10 cups, grease it well, and place it in the fridge for a few minutes so it can set slightly. Now, clean hands and a knife at the ready. Carefully loosen the edges of our colorful gelatins and cut them into cubes of your preferred size. Repeat this with all the flavors. Look at the beauty of these colors, everyone. They look like edible jewels. The clear gelatin should now be cool. Be careful with this. It must be at room temperature so it doesn't melt our colored cubes. Place the cubes into the mold until it's about half full, and then carefully pour the clear gelatin over them until they are covered. This ensures the colors remain suspended as if they were floating in crystal. Complete the mold with more cubes and more clear gelatin. Now back to the refrigerator for about 4 hours or until it is completely set. In the meantime, let me show you a great idea. Check out these individual serving cups. A perfect option for starting a business or selling at events. All you need are disposable cups, and you have a beautiful, colorful, and cost-effective dessert. And the big moment has arrived, everyone. Our gelatin is now firm, so with clean hands, we carefully loosen the edges. And look at this beauty! Wow, how gorgeous, how lovely! I absolutely love how it turned out. It's a marvelous treat. Perfect for sharing or selling. And the best part is, you can make it in the company of the little ones at home. Yes, this way you get to spend a happy moment with them. Let's cut ourselves a good slice, as it should be. Just look at the colors, the texture. What an irresistible dessert. This is also called unicorn gelatin. And yes, the name fits perfectly. It is delicious. Friends, you've seen that this recipe is ideal for business or for a children's party. I hope you loved it as much as I did. See you next time.